Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube family. How are you today? I hope everyone had a blessed weekend, Sunday morning. And I'm really not a breakfast person. And I normally fast until about 12 p.m. But you know what? I had an early dinner last night. I think I ate about, I think I ate right about 5, and I never had anything else to eat the rest of the night besides some sparkling water, and that was it. So I am eating early this morning. It's not that early. What time is it? 8:41. Been snowed in this weekend in Georgia because we had the little snowstorm on Friday. So have not been out since Thursday, to be exact. So cabin fever. Cabin fever. I need to get out. My husband went to work today, and I asked him how was the roads. He said it was still snow out there. It wasn't that much black ice, he said, but it was still snow in the streets, kind of like hard ice snow in the streets. So he just had to go slow, he said. But he leaves really early. So that was before the sun came out. My son did just come from the store. And he said it wasn't bad, but he only went down a mile to the gas station. So we'll see. I'm going to have my breakfast, put on my Sunday dinner. I'm going to make some turkey. It's something I haven't made in years. I'm going to make some turkey wings, baked turkey wings, but I'm going to barbecue them. Barbecue baked turkey wings. So good. And that's what we're going to have for tonight with some mustard greens. I don't cook on the weekend, so I haven't cooked since. Well, I did cook Friday because we were snowed in. Normally, I don't cook on Friday. But I did cook something like a late lunch, early dinner Friday. Since we all were home. But on Friday, Saturdays, I do not cook. That's my day off from cooking. Everyone fends for themselves. You fend for yourself on Friday and Saturday. But I just wanted to upload and let everyone know to have a beautiful day, a safe day, and do something positive today and reach out to somebody. Let somebody know you love them, you care about them, or just check in on someone, see how they're doing. You know, sometimes we can't always just send a text or, or respond out on social media. Call someone in your family you haven't spoken to in a while. It's winter, it's trying times, you know. Some people are down. I just wanted to come on and say hello and good morning. You know, we have the Ring camera, so they have like Ring communities, I guess. And to my knowledge, Ring is supposed to be just for home surveillance security. But it's turned into a whole platform where people upload every little thing. Have you seen my dog? I'm missing my cat. My mail wasn't delivered. Is the mail running today? Is the gas station open today? What's that sound I just heard? Did you hear this? It become too much. Like, it's ridiculous. You get a notification and you keep the notifications on, you know, just because you never know. But you get these back-to-back unnecessary notifications from, I guess, bored people. A lot of communities have a Facebook community. I don't understand why Ring is being used as a platform for so many minor things, you know. But I will say during this storm, for this lock-in, I keep saying lock-in, but everyone was home, right? There were some good messages coming out. People were saying, oh, don't attempt to go out. The road is not clear. Somebody posted yesterday, well, they loaded it on the Ring and sent a message out saying that there were like several cars down in the ditch that were emergency vehicles or whatever were trying to help pull them out. And that's right down the road from me. So, and I know exactly the road out here from me. Very dangerous. It's a winding road. And I can't imagine with ice and snow, you being able to turn and other traffic is coming up and you go to brake. It could just be a horror story. So it did come in handy, the Ring, for this snowstorm. People did put out some good information that was helpful to others. And thank God we did not lose power. Our power did flick on and off about maybe 4 times. And then that just triggered my house alarm when it comes back on. But it maybe was for like 4 seconds. It'll go out and then just power right back on in about 4 seconds. Since Friday morning, today's Sunday, I would say that happened about 4 times. But it was never longer than about 4 seconds. So, all praises, you know, but we had our candles prepared. We have a fireplace, and we used to use it. We haven't used it in like the last, maybe this was the 2nd winter we have not used it. And we really need to get a chimney sweep, you know. We don't use it that often, but it's time for a chimney sweep, so. If you have a fireplace, that's something very important to have done. So I didn't use it. We didn't use it, but I just kept praying we would have power, because once that power goes out, we don't have any heat. And the temperatures for Georgia were very frigid. I think we got down to about 22. But it felt much lower. It felt like the teens. Anyway, just wanted to share my small clip of my morning with you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay positive, be kind. Give someone a hug, give someone a compliment. Reach out to loved ones. Be positive. No negativity. It's a new year. Peace and blessings.